Hi everyone, welcome to a new video of Grillmaster Bart, and today we are going to cook one of the best appetizers on the barbecue. Shotgun shells with cannelloni, minced beef meat and of course bacon. And let me show you how. In the Kamado we are going for an indirect cooking. So the heat deflector in, the griddle. We start with 500 grams of minced beef meat, 1 egg, a little bit of barbecue sauce, soy sauce. Just be careful with that because it's very salty. Some barbecue rub. There we go. And now we are going to mix this all together. So now that it's all mixed up, we put it in a plastic bag and then we are going to fill up the cannelloni with it. And before I forget, please subscribe to my video. Thank you so much. So now we take our plastic bag and we fill up the cannellonis. Fill it up completely, just till the other side. You just take a piece of bacon, you place it like this and like this. You take a second one and you go around it. You just take this and you go around the cannelloni, just like this, and you cover the whole cannelloni with your bacon. There you go. Now let's get some barbecue sauce on them. Don't forget to put barbecue sauce all on the shotgun shell. So you take a little bit of barbecue sauce and you just apply it like this all around it, so the flavor gets everywhere and it gets nice and moist, because the cannelloni doesn't have any water to become al dente. So the barbecue sauce will take care of that. So we take a shotgun shell and we get it onto the barbecue. Very nice. Once they are all on the barbecue, we apply even more of our delicious barbecue sauce. And then close the lid and wait 1 hour. So 30 minutes later, this is how it looks. Now let's apply some more barbecue sauce. One hour and 10 minutes has passed. These are finally finished. Now let's get them off the Kamado and give them a try. Oh wow, these look delicious. Now let's give this a try. Oh wow, this is great. Please try this recipe, it's great, it's very sweet. And please subscribe if you like this video. See you in the next one.